Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be covering the Shopify apps. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So for those wondering, Shopify is actually a e-commerce based website builder. Now it's a platform to pretty much help you as a business owner to grow and expand your business. And this is within an online presence. Now Shopify does offer the online platform for retailers to suit the needs of service for payments. It could be for marketing, shipping, and also for customer engagement tools. So how does Shopify actually work? Now, business owners can pretty much customize and build an online store, sell in multiple places as well. So this could include the web, mobile, in-person, pop-up shops, and of course across social media to online marketplaces. Now, Shopify is a completely cloud-based and hosted platform. So this means that you can pretty much access it with any other connected device or connected compatible device. And all it requires really is that Shopify handles the software and server upgrades. And as well as that, they also give the maintenance for you. So this gives you flexibility and keeps your head stress-free, and pretty much just helps you with the fact that Shopify is running the software, server, and the maintenance for you. It pretty much just gives you that stress-free head when running an online store within an online presence. Now, an e-commerce business does require an array of tools. This ranges from products, inventory, payments, and shipping. So now that we've got a small and clear little detail on what Shopify is, what exactly are the Shopify apps? Now these are pretty much just add-on features, and you can pretty much just use it to your advantage, extending the functionality of your online retail. Now this could be whether you want customer reviews, to improve email marketing, publish your products to Facebook. There will pretty much be an app for that. So I want to start off with our first one, and it is called Offset. So Offset is pretty much a great way, if you are pretty much into it, neutralize your shipping emissions. And of course this contributes to all the climate change. So this would be the best app to use. Now, Offset is a Shopify app that calculates the total emissions generated by your shipped orders, and that number becomes your offset cost. Now, this would be typically low, couple of pence or cents per order, and your payment goes towards forest protection initiatives as well. And Offset offers a dashboard where you can see your environmental impact, such as how many trees you protected, and what you'll be able to do afterwards is share the statistics with your customers. So these are one of the examples on the apps that you can use. This is of course if you do care about the shipping emissions. So this would be a great app to have for your store. Now our next one here is called the Shopify email. Now if you want to promote your business with email, Shopify email is a great marketing app for building an email list and pretty much managing your campaigns. Now with the Shopify email, you can pretty much send branded emails to your subscribers. They'll receive it in their email box from your Shopify admin dashboard just within a few clicks. Now the app does have some variety of pre-made templates, and you're able to pretty much put your logo anywhere within that email, and you can also add some product images, you can add descriptions, and pretty much anything that you could pull out from your store. You can also customize the text and the buttons in several minutes. Now all you would need to do is pretty much just simply import your contact list into Shopify, create and send your campaigns, and then track the results like the amount of opens, clicks, and add to carts and pretty much the purchases to further optimize the retention or the customer acquisition and like the retention of the campaigns. Now this is pretty much how it looks, as you can see. Within that picture, that's the app there, and you can see how it's being modified and customized. So they've had summers here with a logo on the top, and to pretty much the subscribers within your whoever subscribed on your emailing list, so they will be the ones receiving this email. Very easy to use, very handy to have, especially if you want to grow your business. If you want to promote those sales, like an Easter sale, for example, you can go ahead and do that. So it's just a great way to do it. And what's great about this app as well, saves you a lot of time to, instead of individually emailing the subscribers, you could just go ahead and see who's actually tagged or within the emailing list and send it out. So that's what's handy about having the Shopify email. So our next one here is ReConvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell. Now, of course, if you want to push maybe some of your products, then upselling and cross-selling to customers is a great way to increase cart size and, of course, average order value. More income and profit for yourself, of course. Now, luckily with the app ReConvert, you can pretty much build a custom thank you page, and it's basically an order confirmation page that turns new customers into repeat ones. Now, it also allows you to customize your landing page with a drag and drop website builder, and access features such as countdown timers, and you've got personalized recommendations, post-purchase surveys, reorder buttons that'll pretty much help you automatically re-engage with customers who just bought from your store. So of course, if you have the ReConvert, as I said, once they've purchased, you'll try to give them an upsell on offering coupon codes. You've even by displaying product recommendations, maybe even a reorder button. But yep, ReConvert is pretty much endless on the amount of features that you can add towards your for the shopping experience of a customer. So yep, would highly recommend to use the app ReConvert if you want to upsell. Next, we've got another app, and this one is called Better Replay. Basically what this does is it provides a live recording of shopper sessions. So you can pretty much just go through how they interact with your Shopify stores, what sort of items they look at. What's great about this is you can see which product is gaining the most popularity, so you would know which one to stock up more on rather than some of the other items. Now, you could see with the sort of information on Better Replay, you could see and fix where shoppers get stuck, and this is where it's time for you to evaluate new ideas to improve conversions and pretty much just abandon or lower the abandoned carts in your store. Now, what's great about this app is that it's completely free and that it actually records up to around 5,000 sessions per month, and there's no coding required. So that's one reason to go ahead and install the Better Replay app. Now, FAQ pages are very, very good to have in a store. Mainly if you have a lot of those frequently asked questions, you can go ahead and just send them a page of those exact questions, and saves you any time or hassle. But of course, you want to create a good customer experience to your store. So with the fancy FAQ, it makes it easy for you to build an attractive and search-friendly FAQ pages into your pages. So you can pretty much establish trust with shoppers and also encourage them to make a purchase. So that's one of the reasons why you may as well give the fancy FAQ a go. Now, if you want to make your employees and possibly your customers happy, then you can give them an option to use this app called TipQuick. Now, it gives customers the option to pretty much add a tip for workers before the checkout. Now, you can design a custom pop-up using TipQuick and then install the snippet on your checkout page for just a couple of minutes. And of course, if there's any tips that's being given for the customers, then your employees will be a lot happier, especially for those who are running the physical business or running the online store, and it leaves more cash in your pocket and their pocket as well. And it also gives the customer an option to express their gratitude towards the employees. So that's one of the reasons where, depending on the business, of course, where the TipQuick would be a great option to have. Now, everybody's definitely heard of TikTok, but what you can do with TikTok is you can actually create video ads, track the results, and manage all your orders inside Shopify. So it's a great way to actually reach the younger audience and drive sales on TikTok. Of course, TikTok itself is a platform where a lot of influencers use. Now, if you yourself as a company take advantage of TikTok and promote some of your ads within this platform, then that drives your sales up, keeps everybody happy, and also invites new, younger audience customers or new customers overall. So that's one of the surprising ones as well, is that there is an app for TikTok, or there is an app on Shopify that is TikTok. So that's one of the greater apps to use, especially if you want to expand your social media base or platform. Now, this is a great little app to use. It's the Mochi texting and live chat support. Now, when you're using Mochi, you can pretty much chat with your customers and visitors on your site, and it's pretty much chatting to them in real time, so that current time. Now, Mochi can show you how someone got to your site, what sort of products they were looking at, and even what they added to their cart. You can offer the right support quickly and easily. Also offers SMS or web-based support. So if you're not available, an automated AI response will be given to the customer. So that's one really cool way to interact with your customers, especially if some of them are struggling to get around or find the right product. Then you can give them some real-time support and help, and that's what creates a good customer experience. Well, folks, that is pretty much some of the Shopify apps that are available on Shopify. Do check them out. Go through some of the different ones that's more suited towards your business. Of course, these are some of the examples that you can go through with. Of course, it's just a base and foundation for you to get interacted with some of the apps available. Now, some of these will have been paid for or free, so just look out for some of the apps. But of course, yes, as I said, this is the end of the video. If you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.